In the previous section, we learned what Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG is, how it works, and how we evaluate it. Now we come to one of the most exciting and practical parts of this entire topic, real-world RAG use cases. This is where everything we learn becomes real because RAG is not just a theory or a research idea. It is already powering systems that millions of people use every single day without even realizing it. And here is something important. If you understand real world use cases properly, you don't just understand RAG, you start thinking like someone who can build AI products. And that is what actually increases opportunities, internships, and product ideas. So, in this lecture, we'll explore five major real world applications of RAG. First is a chatbot with RAG. Second, customer support AI systems. Third, document Q&A systems. Fourth, enterprise knowledge assistants. Fifth, research assistant applications. So let's begin. Starting with the first, chatbots with RAG. Let's start with the most common and widely used applications, chatbot powered by RAG. Now you might be thinking, we already had chatbots before RAG. What is new here? That is a great question. Traditional chatbots were usually rule based or intent based. They work like this, like user says something, system matches predefined intent, return a fixed response. For example, if user asks what are your business hours, bot says we are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Simple but very limited. If the user asks anything slightly outside predefined rules, the bot fails. Now enter RAG-based chatbots. A RAG-based chatbot works differently. Instead of relying on a fixed response, it retrieves relevant information from a knowledge base, then uses LLM to generate a natural response. So now the chatbot can understand flexible questions, pull real-time or updated knowledge, response in natural human language. For example, if user asks what are the refund policies for international order placed after 30 days, a traditional bot might fail, but a RAG chatbot will search policy documents, retrieve relevant refund rules, generate a clear and structured answer. This makes chatbot much more powerful and scalable. Why RAG chatbot matters? They are used in e-commerce websites, banking applications, EdTech platforms, SaaS dashboards, because companies don't want to manually write thousands of responses. Instead, they maintain a knowledge base and let RAG handles dynamical responses. This significantly reduces support cost and improves user experience. And coming to the second use case, customer support AI systems. Now let's move to a very important industry use case. This is customer support automation. Every company has one major problem, a huge volume of customer queries. Example, where is my order? How do I reset my password? Why was I charged twice? How do I cancel my subscription? Traditionally, these are handled by human agents or basic FAQ systems, but both approaches have limitations. Human agents are expensive and slow. FAQ systems are rigid and incomplete. Now, RAG changes the game here. How RAG works in customer support? We need to just understand. A customer RAG system typically works in, like, first it takes user query, retrieves relevant supporting articles, retrieves past ticket resolutions, generates a final response. This means the system can answer complex question, context specific issues, product specific troubleshooting. For example, if user asks my payment failed but money was detected, what should I do? RAG system retrieves payment failure policy, refund timelines, banking reconciliation steps, then generate a response like your payment may appear as deducted but will be automatically refunded within 5 to 7 business days. This is much more useful than a static FAQ page. Why company love this? Because it reduces customer support workload, handle thousands of queries simultaneously, improves response time, ensure consistent answers. Like companies like e-commerce platform, telecom providers, SaaS companies are heavily investing in this. Third use case, document Q&A systems. Now let's move to a very powerful and a practical use case, document-based question answering. This is one of the simplest but most impact application of RAG. What it is? Imagine you have large document like PDFs, research papers, legal contracts, policy documents, technical manuals. These documents are often long, complex, hard to search manually. Now imagine being able to ask questions directly like what is the termination clause in this contract? What are the key findings of this research paper? Or what are the safety instructions in this manual? This is exactly what documents Q&A systems do. How do RAG enable this? RAG systems break documents into chunks. store embeddings in a vector database, retrieve relevant chunks based on query, generate answers using LLM. So instead of reading 200 pages manually, users can simply ask questions. So real example, imagine a legal assistant tool. Lawyer uploads a 150-page contract. They ask, is there any penalty clause for early termination? Rack Systems retrieves relevant sections, extracts legal clauses, summarizes into clear answers. This saves hours of manual reading. Why this is powerful? Because it transforms static documents to interactive knowledge systems. This is used in legal tech, healthcare documentation, academic research tools, government policy analysis. And coming to the fourth use case, enterprise knowledge assistance. Now we move to one of the important and most corporate applications used, enterprise RAG assistance. This is where RAG becomes extremely valuable in organization. So in large companies, knowledge is scattered. Internal documents, wikis, Slack messages or team messages, emails, conference pages, product documentations. The problem is employees spend too much time searching for information. A simple question like how do I deploy the staging environment might require asking teammates, searching documentations, reading multiple pages. This is inefficient. How RAG solve this? An enterprise knowledge assistant index all company knowledge, retrieve relevant internal documents, generates direct answer. Now employees can simply ask, what is our deployment process? Where is the API documentation? What is a leave policy? And get instant answers. So if employees ask, how do I request access to production logs? Rack system retrieves security policy document, access request workflow, internal IT guidelines, then provides a step-by-step answer. This leads to faster onboarding of a new employee, reduced dependency on senior staff, improved productivity, less time waste searching information, and companies like large tech firms, consulting firms, and SaaS companies actively use these systems. And use case 5 is research assistant applications. Now let's talk about a very important exciting use case. This is one of my favorite, AI research assistants powered by RAG. This is especially important for students, researchers, analysts, and data scientists. The research is information heavy. Research deals with thousands of papers, long literature reviews, constantly evolving knowledge. The challenge is finding relevant information quickly. A research assistant track systems can retrieve relevant academic papers, extract key insights, summarize findings, compare multiple studies. For example, if a user asks what are the recent advancements in the transformer architecture, rack system retrieves research papers and reprints it and survey articles and all, and then generates summaries of innovations, comparison of approaches, key breakthroughs. This is dramatically speed up research process. And if I talk about some other example, if user asks compare BERT and GPT architecture, rack system retrieves foundational papers, extract differences, generates structured comparison. Instead of reading multiple papers manually, users get a synthesized answer. Why this is important now? Because research is no longer about just finding papers. It is about understanding the connecting idea and synthesizing knowledge. RAG acts like a personal research assistant that never gets tired. Let's quickly summarize everything. We explored 5 major real-world applications of RAG. First is a chatbot with RAG, smarter conversation systems, dynamic response using knowledge bases. And second, use case customer support systems, automated support at scale, faster and consistent responses. And third use case document Q&A systems, turn documents into interactive knowledge, instant answers from long files. And fourth use case enterprise knowledge assistance, internal company knowledge retrieval, boost productivity and reduce search time. And fifth use case, research assistant applications, summarize and analyze research papers and accelerate academic and technical work. The key idea is simple. RAG transforms static information into intelligent, interactive systems. It allows machines to retrieve knowledge, understand context, generate meaningful responses. And this is why RAG is becoming one of the most important architecture in modern AI systems. If you understand these use cases clearly, you are not just learning AI, you are learning how real products are built in the industries.